This is the first process of waterproofing DIYs. When you zap around, I'll be filling that hole. I get this around first. I was just listening to a song on the radio. It's pretty cool. I don't know when it came out, quite a long time ago. It's not a newie by all means. This is how you change your sausage. Yeah, no, this is how you do it. DIYs. Throw that in the bin. I always used to cut through the top of my sausage like that, but no, if you just, that's not the way to do it, because then sealant or silicone would get on the thread and I wouldn't be able to unscrew it the next day. I just cut off the little metal bit and I never have any trouble anymore. It's brilliant. So that's all you do, just cut off the little metal part, slap your sausage in. It must push up into here, so then I get no silicone on the thread. So that's a little tip, DIYs. Just cut off that little metal part on your sausage, and you'll be laughing. Oh, get up. It takes 4 or 5 tubes doing a reno. You probably go through less doing a new build. But doing a reno, it always takes more in materials. That's just the way it is. Always have your disposable gloves. I'll run out this tube, which isn't far away, and then I'll rub in my silicone. Where is, oh yeah, I've got a new scraper here. Nice. Bog it up. Doesn't matter what it looks like. Can't get that song out of my head. I better not tell you what it is. They're pumping me for copyright all the time with my music and that, so I better not mention a name. Nice. Smooth it off. Change my gloves. Look at that. Wicked. Ooh, clean hand. A clean hand. Slap on some more. These are a medium pair of gloves, but I don't know. I wouldn't like to have my hands any bigger. And then the large size are too big, I find. I used to buy the pink gloves, which I can't get anymore. They had powder in them. They were brilliant, but I can't find them anymore to buy. I could use it somewhere else. Like there. Bog it up. I arrived here this morning and the painters are here. They're not annoying me, so it's all good. But the owner's still living in the house. It would be a little bit too much for me, but she's at work all day, so cool. You always pay particular attention because it's the share area. Okay, I'll come back to you soon. Don't forget, this is just the beginning.